Bronte from XO2, and I'm just going to show you how to clean your oven with XO2's Frothin oven cleaner. Well, I'm not, my wife is. We did this demo at home, hope you enjoy it. XO2's Frothin oven cleaner. This oven gets cleaned twice a month. Shows you still how dirty an oven can get. So here my wife sprayed the oven with the Frothin, all the grills and everything all around, and she'll give it a good scrub. The XO2 Frothin is non-caustic, odor free, so it has got no bad smells when you're cleaning your oven. So at this stage my wife has sprayed the oven and let this sit here for about 10 minutes at the moment. The oven was not turned on, heated up or anything, so the oven was cold when this was all sprayed on. Dirt marks there, and how easy they are to remove. The oven's all clean. We just burn it off for half an hour, just let it run for half an hour and get rid of any of the odours. Man, that was the easiest oven clean I've ever done. Other than the fact that I used XO2's Frothin oven cleaner. Well, I didn't use it, my wife did, which made it real easy. Come up a treat. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at XO2. Have a great day.